Hey guys, it's Sydney here, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can check to see if your Instagram is getting shadow banned or not. So first of all, you need to tap on the icon right here, your profile icon, and then you tap on these three lines over here on top, okay? After that, you will see settings and privacy right on top. Tap on that and scroll way down to the bottom and you will see account status. Tap on that one. And in here, you will see 4 sections that say remove content, what can't be recommended, monetization, and features you can use. You can just leave these two alone and check out the remove content. If you have too many removed content, your account will be disabled by Instagram. So make sure you check it every day to see if are there any content that you got removed, and you need to learn from that so you will not get violated again. Also check out in my Facebook group, you will see the words that you should not use in Instagram so that you can avoid getting banned, okay? And this is important. The part where it say what can't be recommended. So if you see there is an orange check right here, your account is getting shadow banned. But for my account right here, you see it is a green check. It is good to go. Why? Now you can see in here, your content may be eligible for recommendation. What this means? Your content may be eligible for recommendation in places like Explore, Search, Suggested Users, Views, or Feed recommendations. So if your account is getting shadow banned, it means that your content is not distributed to people over Instagram. So what's the point, right? When you make content but no one see it but your followers. But the rate of your followers seeing your content is still so low. So it's really important for you to check this frequently so that you can take some action to work on your Instagram account, okay? So it's important to check it out, and that's it. If you have any questions, just feel free to DM me on my Facebook, or you also can leave a comment below. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel so you will have more values in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, and this is Sydney from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.